Open your textbook, page number 18. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Good morning.
Dan, turn on your camera. Vishruth, turn on your camera, please. Turn on your camera, everyone. Danya, everyone turn on your camera and sit in my class. Page number 18. And take out one rough notebook or your maths notebook, keep with you, because you need to solve it in the notebook and give me the answer. I am not going to give you the answer. I will explain you how to do it. You need to take out the answers. Okay. So can we start? We were on the third question of this page number. Galina's long jump is nearly. So if word Galina is written here, go to the name where is Galina and
Ma'am, 7.5 meters.
so Galina's jump is 7 meters, 7.5 meters, or 8 meters. I'm going to present and show you the screen, this page number.
Ma'am, 7.5.
So what will be the answer?
Ma'am, B1.
Yes, 7.5. Please take that answer.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me. Who is saying ma'am?
ma'am, what is the page number? I've
18.
joined.
Next time, join on time. Page number 18.
Join on 13 only, but your network, I have a network issue, so I cannot hear you. That's why.
Okay. Now go to the question number 4. Look at the women's world. Wait a minute. Look at the women's world records. What is the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump? Now look to the women's world record. So women's world record, the high jump is 2 meter 9 centimeter. Please do it in your notebooks. And long jump is 7 meter 52 centimeter. Now they are asking what is the difference? What do you mean by the difference word, students?
Subtractions and subtraction.
So when you do subtraction, which digit you will write first?
M 7 meters. 7 meters, 52 centimeters.
Start doing and tell me the answer.
Okay.
By the time I am waiting for you and read the fifth one. If Mike P would jump dash centimeter longer, his jump would be full 9 meters. Mike has jumped, yes, 8 meter 95 centimeter he has jumped.
5
So
centimeters.
to make 9 centimeter, how much more he need to jump?
5 centimeters.
Yes, very good. So please tell me.
The answer is 5 centimeters. 43 centimeters. 43 centimeters.
Let me check. 5 meter 43 centimeter.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I am right.
Okay. Fifth one is done, everyone. Fourth one is done.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kashvi. Yes, Kashvi.
ma'am,
You
I
said
am
ma'am.
asking. Ma'am, I am asking that Galina's long jump is near 7 meter, 7.5 meter, or 8 meters. So we need to subtract with the 7 meter.
Kashvi, look here. There is a table given.
Yes,
What is the Galina's jump given there?
ma'am, the Galina's jump is 7 meter, 52 centimeter.
So now they are asking if you want to mark out of these three, what is the correct answer? The 7 meter we can say, 7.5 meters we can say, or we can say 8 meters. 7 meter
Ma'am,
52 centimeter is equal same as which? It's equal to 7 meters or 7.5 meters or 8 meters.
7.5.
So B is the correct answer. Tick the B.
Okay.
Are you all clear with question number 3, 4 and 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I move ahead? Okay. Whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meters? High jump ही देखना है आपको. Whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meters? So high jump is done by Xavier and Stifa, and in Indian it is done by Chandrapal and Bobby. So out of these four high jumps, men and women in both the records, whose jump is very close to 2.5 meters?
Ma'am, C1. Ma'am, Jaiveer. 2.5. We have to count 2.5. Ma'am, in half. Ma'am, C.
Well, yes, Kashfi, what answer you were saying?
C1.
C1. Okay, Xavier. So you can. Chandrapal is 2 meters 17 centimeter. Yes, Manya?
Ma'am, in 2.5 meters, we have to count 2.5 meters.
2.5, 2.5. Yes. 2.5.
Yes. Okay, ma'am, thank
It
you.
is 500. Okay. So,
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
now
Ma'am,
it
here
is-
C will come. C will come.
C answer will come Xavier's. Now go to the next page, page number 19. Children, you also have to do the sums along with me. Okay. The doctor has told Devi Prasad to run 2 kilometers every day to stay fit. He took one round of his field. This field is there. Okay. This field is there. How many sides are there in this field?
Ma'am, 4. 4.
So if we take a full round of this square shape field, so how many meters he is covering?
Ma'am, 200. Ma'am, 200 meter. Sorry, 2,000. 2,000.
Idea 500 meter plus 500 meter plus 500 meter plus 500 meter.
2,000 meter.
If we take a one round of this complete field, how many meters he is covering? 2,000.
2,000.
And 2,000 meter is same as how many kilometers?
2 meters. 2 kilometers.
Niva, you please pay attention in the units which you are using. Okay, please listen to the question carefully first. Dan Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Dan Patel, tell me 2,000 meters equals to how many kilometers?
How many kilometers? 2 kilometers.
Yes. So here we can say when he took a one round of this complete field, how many meters? If you give the answer, then you will write how many meters he had covered. 2,000 meters. And if you want,
2,000 meters.
and if you want to give the answer in kilometers, then you will write how many kilometers he has covered.
Ma'am, 2 kilometers.
Yes. Go to the next. The field was very far from his home. Now he don't want to go in this field because the field is very far. So he chose a park nearby. The boundary of the park was about 400 meters long. Okay. Now he is not going to this field. He is going the park which is near to his house. And the boundary of that park is 400 meters. Boundary means it is covering all the four sides. How many rounds of the park must Devi Prasad run to complete 2 kilometers?
Ma'am, I think 5 rounds. 600 kilometers. Ma'am, 5 rounds.
Wait, Manya, wait.
Ma'am, 6 rounds.
How 6? In one round, he is taking 400. So to complete the 2 kilometers, mean to complete the 2,000 meters, how many rounds he will take?
Ma'am, he will take a half round.
400 meters, 400 meters plus 400 meters means 800 meters में उसने 2 rounds लगाए. Again 400 meters means 1200 meters में he has taken 3 rounds. Again 400 meters, then 1600 meters में he took 4 rounds. Then again he has taken one more round for
Ma'am, I
making.
can say
Yes,
five.
Manya has already given the answer. 5 rounds.
In 400,
Danya?
we have to do 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20, and from 400 we have to take 2 zeros to 20. So it will be 2000.
Got it, Danya? How many rounds it will take?
Ma'am, 5 rounds will take.
5 rounds. Please write. Go to the next now. One day the weather was very good and cool breeze was blowing. He felt so good that he kept jogging till he got tired. After 8 rounds, that day he ran. Same field, 400 kilometers की field है. He took now 8 rounds. So can you tell me how many kilometers he did? Because the weather was very good and he is fit today and he took many rounds. So he the same 400 meters path.
Ma'am,
He has taken 8 rounds.
3200
Hey,
meters.
Kumar, why you missing the zero? Why you only saying 32? Is he taken the 32 rounds? No, you need to say 32. Yes,
Kilometers and 200 meters.
excellent. Bhavya, have you understood?
Ma'am, in 8 rounds he has taken
So in 8 rounds,
3,200.
Manya, wait. Bhavya, can you tell me in 8 rounds how many kilometers and how many meters he have taken? 400 multiplied by 8. Tell me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Now go to the, by the time Bhavya is taking out the answer, others, everyone is comfortable. You all got the answer? Kashvi, everyone, Aradhya, Jigar Singh, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't got the answer.
8 multiplied by 400. Because
Okay.
400 for one round. For
Ma'am,
8 rounds, how many hundreds? Huh?
32.
100.
30 to 100 when we convert into kilometer and meter. How we write the answer?
Ma'am, 30 to 100. First, we will write 3 kilometer and 200 meter.
Excellent. Yes, Bhavya? 3 kilometer, 200 meters.
Yes, ma'am.
When I will take the CT on Tuesday, everyone should be clear with the concepts, please. Okay? Now, how many rooms high? The Qutub Minar is 72 meters high. About how many meters high is your classroom? Suppose if your classroom height is 6 meters. Suppose your classroom height is 6 meters and the Qutub Minar height is 72 meters. So how many classroom we can make together so that we reach to 72? Yes, Vedant.
Ma'am, I didn't understand when the CET is. It is on Monday, Tuesday, or Saturday, or today.
Can you see the updated timing and date is already posted in the classroom?
Okay.
Ma'am, hello ma'am, it will be 12 classrooms. 12 classrooms.
How many classroom students?
12.
Wait a minute, let me check with others. Jigar Singh,
Yes, ma'am.
एक classroom की height है 6 meters.
Yes.
So कितने classroom हम जोड़ लेंगे so that we can reach to 72 meters? In table of 6, 7, Anay, I request you to sit properly. We are not sleeping in the maths class.
6, 9, 9 classroom.
Ma'am, may I?
In table of 6, 72 is coming 9 times.
12. Then 12.
Ma'am, 12.
Those who are saying 12.
Ma'am, I have divided 6 divided by 72. First I have
72.
First I have done 6
Can I speak now? Viva, you got the answer?
Yes,
Viva, you got the answer? 72 divided by 6. Jigar Singh, you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
12 questions.
Dhyan Patel, you got the answer?
Yes.
What is the answer?
12.
Yes. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. When you do 12 times, it will be 72. Or when you divide 72 by 6, you will get the answer. Okay, got it? Now, guess how many rooms one can top of the floor will be equal to the Qutub Minar. So you can write 12 classrooms. Explain how you made a guess. That you have already explained that you have done the division. Go to the next page, page number 20. From Kozhikode to Thalseria, Subodh is going to Kozhikode, which is 24 kilometers away. Manjane is going to Thalseria, which is 46 kilometers away in the opposite direction. How far is Kozhikode from Thalessia? Who will take out the answer? एक रास्ता है जो 24 किलोमीटर है और उसी के ही अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में दूसरा रास्ता है विच इज 46 किलोमीटर है. अब इस रास्ते से
मैम 70 किलोमीटर.
how you take out the answer, Moksh?
By addition.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
By addition you need to take out the answer. Okay, suppose from school to my home the distance is 12 kilometers, right? Suppose from school to my home the distance is 12 kilometers, and from my home when we go more to like Moksh home the distance is 15 kilometers till the Moksh house. So from school to Moksh house is how many kilometers away? From school to my home, the distance is 12 kilometers. And from my home to Moksh house
27 kilometers.
is
Ma'am,
15 kilometers.
27 kilometers.
27. So,
27.
whose house is more far from the school? My house or Moksh house?
Ma'am,
And whose house is near to the school?
Ma'am, yours.
Got it.
Ma'am, your house.
Got it. Got the concept? Okay. You got the concept how to find out the total distance, how to find the far and near? Yes or no? Okay. Can we move ahead with the next topic?
Yes.
How far is your home from school? Momun comes to school from very far. He first walks about 400 meters to the pond with sleeper in his hands. Then he walks 150 meters to the pond. Next he runs across the 350 meters wide green field. Then he carefully crossed the 40 meters wide road to reach the school. Can you tell me how much distance he is covering? पहले वो pond में आता है, then वो walk करता है, then वो run करता है, कुछ kilometers run करता है. Can you tell me?
Ma'am, 940 meters. Ma'am, 940
Let me check if you all are correct. Let me check. You all are saying 940 meters. 4,
Yes.
350, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's check here. 940. Who all are saying 940? If you have added the distance, your answer is correct. Viva, you have done? You got the
Yes,
answer,
ma'am.
Viva, Niva, Tej Kumar, Vedant, Bhavya Sagar, everyone. Kashi got the answer? Dan Patel
Yes,
got
ma'am.
the answer. How to find out? Okay. How much does Moman walk every day to reach school? So you write the answer 940. What you will write? 940 kilometer on meter?
Meter.
940 meters.
Meter. Is it more than 1 kilometer or less than 1 kilometer?
Less than.
Okay, I have my
Less
right
than.
hand. I have my right hand, my left hand. How many of you are going with
Bye,
more than?
ma'am.
Who is saying bye?
Ashvi said.
How she left the class? I have my right hand, and this is my right hand, left hand. This answer is showing more than 1 kilometer, less than 1 kilometer. So how many of you are going with the right hand and how many of you are going with the left hand?
Ma'am, left hand.
Left hand.
Ma'am,
Means, very good. So means the answer is less than 1 kilometer. Go to the next. Find out how far your friends live from school and fill the table, write in meters and kilometers. This will be your home task. This you will do. Write your friend's name, or if you don't want to write your friend's name, you write your relatives' names and write the distance, because here it is written distance of home and school. So you use the friend's name better if you will use. So write the friend's name and write the distance. You can guess also the distance because you will not exactly know the distance. I'll show you how you will complete this table. Right this way. If I write my friend's name Ram, Anand, Pinky, Sujita, Nikita, Sonam, and I am guessing that their distance is 6 kilometer, 400 meter, and that is your table. Okay, you can create your own table. These are the data which I am giving you. Don't copy the same data. You write your own data or your own kilometer or meter distance, and then you need to give the answers of the following questions which are given here. But suppose if we are doing with the table which I am giving you, and I want to check the concept only whether you understood or not. Am I clear? So suppose I am giving you this table, and on the basis of table we are checking the questions. Okay, who among you lives nearest to the school? So if we check the distance in meters and kilometers, so we can see Pinky is just 400 meters. The distance is from the school and her house is 400 meters. So Pinky is living near to the school. So when we go to the next question, who live furthest from the school? Where furthest means far, which we have already learned. So the distance whose from the school is house is more, then we say that child is living far. So here, according to my table, we can say who is living far
Ma'am,
from the school?
Ram.
Ram. What is the distance? What is the distance of Ram? 8
kilometers.
Yes. How many children live less than 1 kilometer away from school? Can you give me the answer? How many children live less than 1 kilometer away from school? How many children? And name their children also. Which is less than 3 children. Name them. Name them. Pinky, Nikita, Sonam. Got it? Is there anyone who lives more than 5 kilometers away from the school? Is there anyone?
Yes,
The distance more than 5 hai?
Yes.
Which are the two? Which are the names?
Ram.
Only Ram? Very good. Ram and Anand. How do they come to school? By, you can write van, auto, bus, any means of transport जो भी आप use करते हैं, right? Some come by car, van, auto, buses. These are up to you, which all the transport you will write. Clear? Can we move ahead with the next questions? Okay. Guess and find out. How long is the thread in a reel? Reel, you know what is reel? Wait a minute, if I have, I'll show you. What is reel? Can anyone have reel of thread at home?
Ma'am, reel means that tight one.
Can you show me the reel?
Ma'am, wait,
Wait, I will bring.
Ma'am, see.
Yes.
This kind of also
Manya
counts.
is showing. This is also.
Ma'am, this is real.
Yes. Manya is showing this is real. Yes. Dhyan is showing this is real. Yes. These are reels. And this
Ma'am,
one
I
is.
have covered it from paper.
But
in
thread reels are the one jo up the way Manya is showing. You see.
Yes.
Yes. Both
Ma'am,
these
I
are
have it.
reels. Yes. Can you everyone pin Manya? Yes, Dhyan Patel is also showing. Please put it down. Reel is one when you are putting a lot of thread on it. Can you guess, Manya? Can you hold and everyone guess how many meters thread? Guessing, just so guessing, we are not measuring. Can anyone guess how many meters thread is in this reel? Which Manya is showing?
Ma'am, 500. 700.
It can be your guessing. 500 meters or 100
Ma'am,
meters.
70
Ma'am,
meters.
1000.
70 meters.
Ma'am, I have yellow color reel also. So
Children,
many.
okay. Put it down, Manya. Children, it's just your guessing, whatever you are guessing. Okay. So the length of a thread in a reel depend on its size. Regular size of reel may be 100 meters to 500 long meters. Hoti hai. Somebody was telling 700 means they are near about that. Okay. Reel ke size pe depend karta hai. If Manya is showing the small size, maybe having
Ma'am,
less thread. If it is
Ma'am.
big, yes, she is having two reels. She
ma'am,
is
it's
showing.
a 552 meters.
It's
It
written
is
there.
over here.
It is written there. Yes. Okay. Can I talk with Kashvi? She entered here. Kashvi? Because I can see she joined. Kashvi,
Yes.
you stay in the class, okay? I want to talk to you.
Ma'am, I hear that all of you are saying you bye. That's why I
No,
need
nobody was telling me bye. Okay. Let me take the attendance for a minute and then I will continue. So it's as I was explaining you, this thing is depend on the size of the reel, and a regular size means normal size reel maybe 100 to 500 meter long thread. However, in some bigger reels, thread may be even more than 1 kilometer or long. Of the string of a kite. Now this question is next. How long is the string of a kite reel? Kite reel, as he was holding the another child, Moksh. Moksh was showing us. That is called the kite reel. What you call in Hindi it is charkhi, right? Charkha. What do you call it? Charkhi. Yes, this is the kite reel. Can you tell me, can it be more than a 1 kilometer? More than a kilometer long? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, it can be more than a kilometer long. Yes. Now go to the next question. If a handkerchief is made out of a single thread, how long would the thread be? It can be about 100 meters. जब handkerchief एक ही thread से बना है 100 meters, or it can be more than that. Turn the page. I wish I were. There's a boy standing near down and he is doing some wishes. I wish I were a kite. First he wished that he were a kite. He was thinking the kite से ऊपर कुछ जाता ही नहीं है. Then he thought, I wish I were a bird. कि मैं bird होता, bird बहुत ऊंचे तक fly करता है. Then he was thinking, I wish I were a cloud. Then he's thinking, cloud is more higher than the kite or the birds. Then at the last he's thinking, I wish I were a plane. उसको लगा कि plane उससे भी ऊंचे उड़ते हैं. So step by step they are showing कि first he was thinking kite, then he was thinking bird, then he was thinking cloud is more higher, then he was thinking plane is more higher. Yes. So now which is the highest building that you have seen? About how many rooms? Which was it? So now children, can you answer me?
Burj
Khalifa. How many floors Burj Khalifa is having?
150.
How many floors?
Ma'am,
7
720 meter up.
720 meters up. Okay. And how many floors it is having?
550.
How many, Jiga Singh?
550.
No, not 50.
190.
It is about, I think, 120 or 160. Or you can check. I'm not sure.
Ma'am, it is 190.
You
Ma'am, 120.
if you all speak together, it is very difficult. It is very difficult when you all say together. I already announced it is near about 160, maybe one. I'm not sure it is 120 or 160. Out of these, it is one.
seen in Google, it is showing it is 163.
163. Yes. I told no, it is near about either maybe 120 or 160. So it is 163 floors. Okay. So it's the tallest. So how high can kite go? Can you guess how high kite can go? It can go higher than Qutub Minar. As we already learned, Qutub Minar is having 72 meters. Can you guess whether the kite will go more than 72 meters?
Yes.
A kite can go about 30 to 40 meters height. So we can say no, it cannot go higher than the Qutub Minar. Next, how high can a plane fly? How high can a plane fly? Vishrut is quiet in my class today. Why, Vishrut? Vishrut, can you tell me how high the plane can fly?
Ma'am, it can above to in my think it is then 2 meter above.
मीटर तो इतना ही होगा.
No, ma'am, kilometer.
2 kilometers say we above. So we can say it can be more than 5 kilometers. And if we convert the 5 kilometer or 6 kilometer into the meters, how many meters means? 5, which was 5 kilometers equals to how many kilometers? 5 kilometer equals to how many kilometers?
5,000.
Aradhya, if I say 6 kilometers, so 6 kilometers equals to how many meters?
6,000 meters.
Yes. Children, all the concept which we are doing is just checking your knowledge, how many you are clear with the meters, centimeters, addition, subtraction, story problems, thinking problems, all whatever we have done, they are just developing your knowledge, which you have already done in the past classes. Yes or no? Have you ever seen clouds below you? कभी आपने आपसे नीचे कभी clouds देखे हैं? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
कहाँ
In the plane.
कहाँ पर देखे हैं? Manya, will you tell us where you have seen?
Ma'am,
Can you tell us the
when
place?
I was traveling in the plane.
If one child is speaking, other will mute. Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, when I was traveling in the plane, that time I saw sky was down.
Okay. Can anyone tell the experience? Can anyone else tell the experience? Raise your virtual hand. Raise your virtual hand.
Ma'am, I know.
Raise your virtual hand. I'll call your name.
Ma'am, please, ma'am, I can see.
Yes, Vedant.
Ma'am, the experience is very good when we are above the skies.
Where you have seen this experience?
On a plane.
Okay. Aradhya.
Ma'am, when I was going to shooting in Jaipur with my dad, so in the plane, I see the clouds are near me, like that.
Okay. Kashvi, yes. Where is your experience?
Ma'am, when I go to the Kashmir, Srinagar with my Masi and my mother, father and my sisters, so I saw birds near the plane, aeroplane.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can see now.
Yes, you can say if you are experienced with the where you can see the clouds are near to you or at your height. Yes, Jigar.
Ma'am, when I was the Hong Kong now, above the clouds. I sleep at the night when suddenly stand up and morning I saw the all the clouds and then down was the land like there in the
So
water.
it is the different experience of each and every child. Yes, can anyone try and tell me? Please. Can anyone else? Please raise your virtual hand.
Ma'am, I
Vedant, already I gave you chance already.
the experience I have.
Yes,
When
tell
I
me.
when I went to Shimla with my parents and my relatives, I
Hmm.
we were trekking on a mountain. Then then I on the peak I
Mm-hmm.
look down. It was so foggy. It was full of like it was sky is bit is down and I am above the sky.
Good. So you all have a good experience and you all have understood which is near to you, which is far from you. You have
Ma'am,
already covered. Yes. Wait a minute. Let me clear out first, and then I'll give you a chance. So we all have done how to measure in kilometers, how to measure in meters, right? Which things are far from us, which things are near to us. So all the concepts we have done practically also. Yes or no? Yes. We have done about the kite, the distance of the kite, the distance of Qutub Minar, how many rooms we are covering to the Qutub Minar to cover the height. There we are relating all the concepts. Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So are you all now prepared for your CET?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
So when
Yes.
will be your CET?
On Tuesday, ma'am.
So will you?
Tuesday.
I hope that you all will come prepared.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
One child, Moksh, want to say something. So can I ask something from Moksh?
Ma'am,
That
when I go to my mama's house, we always go to Mount Abu. So from there, I can see many, means so much things there, their buildings
yes.
and that thing.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, students, for today's
Thank you,
class.
ma'am.
Come prepared.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.